So I'm not an expert at this. Wait, what's the cow doing? Oh, the cow is trying to be friendly. Oh, wait, the cow is actually petting her. Oh my god, and humans can't even do that. Oh my god, look at that. The cow is actually friends with the bird. Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, the cow is... Oh, well, wow. What in the world? This is such a beautiful friendship. Oh my god. Look at... What's happening? Oh my god, the leg is broken. I have to help. I don't know how to help. We don't even have vets for birds in this country. I think the cow is trying to... This is beautiful. The cow needs some kind of bird to pet it. And it thought this one was willing. Not happy. Oh. Actually, I think the cow is protecting the bird in some kind of way. But I have to find a way of... Let me see if I can actually help. I don't know how to bandage that leg up though. What are these two doing?